I drained 2 cans of black beans and I drained a can of carrots. Now we're going to chop up our onion and celery. Our oil is ready for our onion and celery. Putting all our vegetables in here. I'm going to put my carrots. I'm going to layer our seasonings. I'm using adobo. I'm going to use a little chili powder. Smoked paprika, ground cumin, a few flakes of crushed pepper, and I'm going to use some ground pepper from my grinder. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of minced garlic. If you get a lot of canned goods from the food bank, this is definitely a meal you want to try. Because all of the ingredients came from the food bank as far as the canned goods. The beans, the carrots. I'm going to be using some diced tomatoes in here and some chicken broth. And all of that you can get at the food bank. Okay, we are going to marry our black beans into our carrots and celery. When I say marry, I mean blend, because we want those flavors blended into the black beans. We'll let those flavors get blended in for about 5 minutes. The secret to this black bean soup is going to be this little baby right here. I'm going to add just about maybe a tablespoon of lime juice. Okay, we don't want too much, but just enough to give it a little zing. Okay, so now we're going to add our liquid ingredients. We're going to add our tomatoes. Blend, blend, blend. So you guys see all those beautiful colors in there? Isn't that pretty? Still on high. I have it on medium high. Bring that up to a little boil. Okay, we got us a little boil going on. Now we're going to add our chicken broth. We added a lot of liquid in there. We've got to add some of our seasonings in there. Just a little. Now we're going to bring that up to a boil. And then we're going to take it down to a simmer. Still looking beautiful. Look at those beautiful colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. Okay, it has come to a boil. So now we're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Looks done to me.